Hey, what's up guys? It's JB. Today I have another Saber reveal. This is a very special Saber that I've done for somebody. Her name is Candace Armstrong. The Saber is a gift to her husband, and this Saber has etchings done by Shaun Garza, and the etchings are actually my favorite band, which is crazy. She sent me the what she wanted etched in Hylian text originally, and the Saber does have the Hylian text, but I was able to read it, because it is what is it legible. But I picked it up and I was like, what? Like, this is my favorite band, and I knew what song it was just by looking at the Hylian text. So here's the Saber. It's a Saber forged Epoch or Epo, whatever you want, however you call it. It's really nice. Again, this Saber was etched by Shaun Garza. Let me focus on here. There you go. Alright. So, right here it says, this is the best thing that could be happening, and I think you would agree the best thing is that it's happening to you and me. And that's in Hylian text. Right here on the bottom, I forgot what this says, but it's something personal that she is telling him. So she'll say that to him, and also since it's in Hylian, it has the Triforce right there, and it has another Triforce with another emblem right there from the Legend of Zelda. Has a standard Saberforge kill key, and I added in the illuminated or the lit AV switch, which is in royal blue, so it matches the blade color, which is royal blue. It's royal blue, white. Let me focus back. Royal blue, white for Fashion Clash. It has a nano. It's running. One of the fonts is The Legend of Zelda by Juan, Sith, and the other font is Rogue by Shamim. So since this is a song, the etchings on here, I decided to make a custom boot up for her, and the boot up is the actual song, and I just used a piece of the song of what's actually etched in here. So the etching that's in there is the actual boot up, more or less. And again, this is my favorite band, so it felt really nice finishing this, because not a lot of people like the music that I like, which is rock pop. And it was, I don't know, I listen to my favorite band every day. I don't listen to anything else, so it's really special to me as well. But let's turn this thing on. Oh, I forgot to mention also, this is lightly weathered, and Shaun Garza did everything exterior wise. I love the piano in this song. Yeah, so that's the boot up I made, and here's the illuminated switch, and here's the raw boot. This is Rogue by Shamim, and White Fashion Clash. Really, really bright. And the other one is a really cool font, The Legend of Zelda by Juan, Sith. The chassis I'm using here is by Darth Ryo, and he actually has a different design on his bass speaker holders. And they're actually, I know Justin T. Marshall made a video on how to make your Saber louder by adding that the putty. His new design on his speaker holders don't have holes in them, so this saber is loud. Like I mean, this is probably the loudest, second to loudest saber I've ever done, but it's really loud. So this is 11 Zelda font. It's got music ripped off right from the 64 game Ocarina. So that's that font. Let's get a blade and see what it looks like. By the time this video is up, she is going to have this, and she is going to surprise him. So she told me not to upload this video until she gets it. So this video will probably be uploaded 3 days later from when I had it done. So here it is with the blade. I'll do lights on, lights off as always. Extremely bright. I added a slight flicker to it, so it looks really good. Christian Gale helped me out with these settings. I hardly mess with settings on a Nano unless somebody actually tells me. Feels like you're holding the Master Sword a bit. Alright, so now lights off. I'm going to do the other font. So this thing lights up the entire room pretty much. It's extremely bright. So I hope that your husband likes this saber. I like it. I'm actually thinking about getting an Epoch now. It's really nice hilt, a lot of space for etching, and it's you know, overall this saber is gonna make your husband extremely happy, I think. I will be sending out the saber, the blade, and the charger, as well as the t-shirt that you purchased from me. That's it. Thank you.